Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the 5-minute makeup challenge. That's right, 5 minutes. And it's going to be very difficult to do because usually my makeup routine will last 30 minutes to an hour. So to condense it into 5 minutes is gonna be something. But this is not what it looks like. I am filming this on a different day actually than the challenge itself. I wish it looked this good. But if you guys like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to continue to see challenges, comment down below what challenge you want to see next. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I'm Janine and I post videos once a week on lifestyle, faith, and fashion. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, then be sure to subscribe. Hi ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Let's get on into it, shall we? Okay, why am I like this? Literally, this is why I'm single. So I'm gonna go ahead and film this video through this kind of perspective in front of my vanity. Hopefully you guys are okay with that. It's just I will have a lot more easy access to the makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer over on my phone. 3, okay, go. Okay, so I have already applied primer actually, so hopefully that's not cheating. I'm breaking out though, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking out bad. Ah! Okay. Sorry. Okay, so we're just going to be applying the Clinique foundation. It's the Beyond Perfecting Clinique foundation, so gotta work for fast coverage. Okay, so now the CoverGirl Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead. Nerve-wracking. Oh my word. I challenge you guys to try this out, like at a sleepover with your friends. I feel like this would be so fun as a challenge. See it. Oh my goodness. Okay, don't get down on yourself. Okay, the Airspun setting powder to just bake, well, somewhat bake, because we don't have time. Ooh, okay. Okay, contour. Ah, Anastasia contour kit. What we're using. Okay. I'm breaking out bad. You can see it. We're gonna use contour as bronze right now because we're not following the rule. This contour is so bad. Wow. Okay. Okay. All baked up, sort of. Sorry. I don't even know how this looks. Okay. Brows. Let's do the brows. Oh my gosh, that was horrible. Did the worst one ever. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh! Okay. I blush. Okay, let's go. I don't know how much time I have left. I'm afraid to look. Okay, I have 2 minutes and 9 seconds. This is stressful. Like I thought I'd look worse. Yes, because that's super encouraging. Okay. I say yes. Let's try to do this setting powder. This isn't too bad, honestly. I thought it'd be worse. It's not super good either, though. If I just do the end, maybe it can give the illusion that I have it. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is terrible. Oh my gosh. Okay, lipstick. My goodness, I can't breathe. Let's do this one. Okay. I just overlined so bad. Wow. It tastes like mint. Oh my gosh. Alright, we gotta do highlight because the job ain't done until the highlight is shining. Okay. Okay. Okay, yes. I don't know. We didn't even do eyeshadow. Oh! The time is up. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Again, I tried my best in 5 minutes. It was very, very hard. But I would love for you guys to try out this challenge, and if you do, be sure to let me know. You know, send it to me on Instagram or Twitter or something. I would like to see what your creation looks like after 5 minutes. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other challenges you want to see, if you want to see more challenges on this channel or not. And yeah, I will see you all in my very next video, which will be next week. So until then, be kind and spread positivity, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys.